So how to transfer contact iPhone to iPhone by using USB cable. So first of all, you have to go your contact option, press on contact. Once you press on contact, then go back your list and press and hold. Now press on export. Now press on done. Now you have to select save to file. Now go back. Now you have to insert your pen drive. So once you insert, then you can see it's showing. Now press on your pen drive. Now where you want to transfer, for example there, then press on save. Now insert your pen drive to your other iPhone. Remove your phone. Now you have to insert your pen drive to other iPhone. This is my lighting cable C. So I am creating this tutorial with my existing phone as well, but process will be same. Simply open your file manager. Open your file manager, and once you open file manager, you have to go your pen drive first. Now this is the contact. Now press on test contact, and once you press on here, then you can see the share option below. Then press on this share option. Now press on your contact. Press on contact. Now add all. Press on there and add all as a contact and press on save. Then if you go back, then you can see your all contact is available here. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.